Okay, this video is to explain the nasty noise of the shocks in the front of the E70 and E71, which is the X5, X6 BMW, the front struts. They have an issue where the mount fails, right? Like you could see how this is like torn up. Okay, but more importantly, the other root cause is that they make these foam spacers. And I'll show you in the picture where they belong. You don't forget, so if you're going to do a shock mount, they don't sell these with the mount, but this one and this one, 9 and 10. The part numbers end in 389 for the bottom one, and the top one is 390. They have to be there so you could see the orientation. So this is the dust boot. It has a metal washer as part of it. This goes on top of the strut. Then, of course, the new mount goes on there. Okay, I may not be able to do all this in the video, but then you have this ledge up here for the next washer. Oops, my fault. You got to use one of these here underneath it. There's two different diameters, I believe. We'll pick the right one. Anyway, one goes here. Then one goes there, of course. One goes here. Then in the end, this washer goes there, and then the nut. Okay, this is just an example. There'll be a spring in there. But the reason people don't know about these is because they deteriorate, they crumble, they go away as dust. So when people take it apart, they put it back together with just this mount. This is just not enough rubber to work and last. These are very, very important. They are sold separately, unfortunately. So just make sure you have these when you do this shock mount job. They will not last without them, or you will continue to hear intermittent noises. Hope this is helpful.